The real delineation here on your situation is the fact that Amazon is hostile to your category. And so they're going to be hostile to you in all of the messaging. Selling on Amazon is not passive income, which is why you're here listening to me. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guide. In clips like you'll see today, we talk to Amazon sellers and ask them about the pains they experience. We offer solutions. We talk about PPC, SEO, design, and catalog troubleshooting. Enjoy.
Hey, Stephen. Neil? So I'm going to get right into it.
Time to buzz down again. That's you got to order a groomie on Amazon.
I know that's one of the things I got to do today. So in December 2nd, my bestseller got yanked from Amazon.
That's why you're not in a good mood. That makes sense.
Yeah. So December 2nd, it got yanked. I went ahead. I bought the listing reinstatement from you guys. So I have Virgil working on my case right now, trying to get my ASIN back up. Shout out to Virgil.
Good. He's been with me a couple of years, by the way.
Yeah, he's pretty confident that he'll be able to get it back up. But this is where my question comes into play. It's actually an issue of timing. So Amazon sent me a warning saying I just sent in 1,000 units and they want me to pull out 1,000 units. So they want me to create a removal order.
So I definitely would not conduct the removal order. Can you tell me what the reason for the yank was?
Drug paraphernalia. They classified it as drug paraphernalia. I've been selling it for a year and a half. 250 reviews, lots of similar products in the niche, yada, yada, yada. So is there a way I can buy time while appealing the removal order? You know what I mean? I don't have to, because they told me I have to create the removal order by January 15th. And Virgil's been working on this
Mag's got to come through and just get the listing reinstated by then. That's what's got to happen. Mm-hmm. Right. So there's immense pressure for us to do that.
It's a lot of back and forth between him. I'm getting emails from them every day saying, yeah, we're looking at it. And he just keeps on ticketing away. But I'm starting to plan for worst case scenario.
Which makes sense.
So I've lined up a warehouse to, do this inventory removal if I have to. But I'm wondering, can I switch to multi channel fulfillment to keep my inventory in the Amazon system? Or is there a way I can solve?
I don't think so. So there's a delineation on my no answer there. Could you ship MCF right now out of that inventory? Yes, technically. But can you tell Amazon to transfer it into MCF only inventory with that special program that they made? I don't think so. I don't think it's possible to transfer that. Generally speaking, once something's an FBA, you have no control of the location or how it's used other than selling it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so sorry I couldn't help directly on giving you a backup plan. The real plan. So by the way, I love backup plans. I'm a huge proponent of let's prepare and prevent and repair and repent if we have to, but hopefully not. The real delineation here on your situation is the fact that Amazon is hostile to your category. And so they're going to be hostile to you in all of the messaging. But if I was in your shoes, I would fight this tooth and nail and not do the removal order until they did it without my permission. I would go to that step.
Okay.
And I would not conduct the removal yourself.
Oh, okay. So just because right now, I don't have a 3PL that I deal with for removal orders. So I've gone out, I've reached out, I've made contacts for it, and I haven't put in any of their information yet. So I'm thinking that my default settings are either donate or liquidate.
So those are correct. However, if they're calling it drug paraphernalia, they're probably not going to help you donate it. So that leaves you with some challenges. I think you just got to win that it's not drug paraphernalia and get it reinstated. I think that's the bottom line. Mm-hmm. One thing you should verify, and my team's probably already done this, but would you mind just asking Virgil and say, hey, Stephen was on the live with me today. Is there any data that's in Canada that's affecting the US. Just have my team double check that.
So I sell in Canada and the US, and both listings got yanked at the same time, and he's ticketing Canada and the US at the same time. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going above and beyond for you, just so you know. We're supposed to only reinstate it on one portal, but in your case, it's the right thing to do. We're going to help you out on both if we can. But I just wanted to point out the extra value. And in any case, it sounds like we're doing the right steps. I'm very confident in the procedures that you've taken.
Yeah. So, I mean, he's like, it's impossible to get a realistic timeline for how long it takes to deal with these things. Like it could be tomorrow, or it could be 60 days from now.
Correct.
Right? But unfortunately, my back's up against the wall with Amazon putting a time-bound action for me to do the removal. You
removed it, and it's 1,000 units?
Yeah, it was my Q4 order.
How big are they? Give me
it's a pretty decent sized box.
So you can't put this at your house. Got it.
No. And I'm in Canada, and so I have to find... Yeah,
you literally have to have a 3PL. Got it. Now I understand why you went down those steps. So yeah, just say, hey, 3PL, this is going to happen. Just need a quote. Have you taken?
I've already got all that lined up. I've got all that lined up.
They know that it's messy and it'll come in multiple shipments.
Yeah. They specialize in it.
Okay.
So I was just more worried about the multi-channel fulfillment, or
don't do the removal order until Amazon makes you. Bottom line. Okay. That's the solution. Okay.
Cool.
Keep your head high going into the Christmas holidays. Get some sleep. You're going to be okay. This is just one step in the journey. But in the meantime, you've made the right decisions.
Yeah.
Pretty confident.
Cool. All right. Those were my questions that I had. Yeah. Thanks, Steve.
All right. Slam that like and subscribe button and join me every Thursday, noon Eastern Standard Time, where you can watch Amazon sellers come on camera and ask me literally any question live. We'll see you then.